Yo, I bet you're wondering right now, what gas or metal is it? Well, put your mind at rest, for you're about to find out, here and now, with these instructions to test. Alright? Here we go. Hydrogen, use a lit splint to make a squeaky pop. Oxygen, lights a glowing splint, don't stop. Cu2 makes lime water cloudy when bubbled through. Chlorine turns damp, litmus paper to bleach for blue. Now for metal ions, you put them in a flame. As for which one it is, the colour will say. Lithium is crimson, ask anyone, and sodium's yellow like the sun. Gas tests, positive and negative, not hard at all, they're the best. Gas tests make you happy inside, worth all of 2 marks, they're the best. Potassium's lilac, not pink, you bonehead, and calcium is orange red like a sunset. Copper is green like all the limes I've tried. Now time to see metal ions and sodium hydroxide. They make coloured precipitates, they're ones that make white. Are calcium, aluminium, and magnesium, despite how aluminium redissolves with success, but this only happens if there's excess sodium hydroxide and copper 2. Those two mixed up do make blue. Brown is iron 3 and iron 2 is green. Isn't that the coolest thing you'll ever have seen? Metal tests, positive and negative, not hard at all, they're the best. Metal tests make you happy inside, worth all of 2 marks, they're the best. Enough of metal hydroxide precipitate, let's talk tests for halides, carbonates and sulfate. Carbonates and acid form CO2, halide ions form precipitates. Listen, you form yourself a nitrate plus nitric acid. 3 you gotta learn it, I'ma give them to you rapid. Chlorine ions make silver chloride, that's white. Silver bromide's cream and iodine's yellow, that's right. Sulfate ions, they also form white. Yup, another precipitate, but only if you mix it right with barium chloride and hydrochloric acid. We're so close to being done, so just listen for the last bit. Instrumental methods, just a fancy tool. Flame emission spectroscopy, name for no fool. Measures wavelengths, identifies ions, makes a line spectrum. Now ain't that cool science? Results from different wavelengths of light being detected, but it's real pricey, and that's expected. Now we're nearing the end of the wrap, but face it, you've learned something and that's no cap. Gas tests, positive and negative, not hard at all, they're the best. Metal tests make you happy inside, worth all of 2 marks, they're the best.